the importance of knowing your Islamic calendar, because this is where your ibadah revolves around. Your acts of worship. How many months is Ramadan? Ramadan is going to come in how many months? When is it Yawm Ashura? When is it Dhul Hijjah starting? Am I in a sacred month? Am I not in a sacred month? This is very important, and I encourage all of you that you know this. In fact, ikhwani fillah, in fact, when the scholars discuss the age of maturity for a young man or a young woman, the point at which they have to stop praying or start to covering up for a young woman, the age is actually calculated with the Islamic calendar, not the Gregorian one. There might actually be a few months difference there that people are not aware of. All of the ahkam and the rulings in Islam, how long did you have your wealth? The year that goes by to calculate your zakat is done by the Islamic calendar. The age whereby you reach maturity and you're considered 15 and after you have to pray, if there are no other signs before that, is done by the Islamic calendar. When Ramadan starts, when there's a sacred month, all of this, our whole lives revolve around this. So for you to completely ignore it, have no care for it, not follow it, is a problem, ikhwani fillah, especially when it's just one app away or one Google check away. So please, ikhwani fillah, I encourage all of you to be more aware.